All right, Kevin Williams, manager of All Skill Construction. I'm going to show you how to find a basement wall leak. So let me step back. First, you got to find where the water is. If it was on the carpet here, see the carpet stains? That let me know to cut the drywall in that area. Once I start touching the drywall, it was wet. 9 times out of 10, it's a little rod hole leak. I cut the plastic back. It's wet right there. Boom, there's one culprit right there. Boom, there's 2 culprits right there. When you touch it, it's wet. And boom. That's wet. You see it's leaking all on it. So what you do is, you get you some hydraulic cement. Waterproof hydraulic cement. And you fill those. See how I cut the plastic? You got to put that plastic back after you get done. Get some new insulation, because that insulation got wet. Then put everything back. You know why? Before I say it, make sure you hit that like button right over there in the corner. We're trying to get 1,000 likes. Hit that like button. You know why? Because I'm not a handyman. Oh, there you go. That's why your basement wall be leaking. Look at that. There go another one. See that? So all you gotta do is plug them. All right, this is what you use right here. This is the main part you're concerned with. It says stop active water leaks. I have stopped the leak with this. That it was pouring out like a faucet. I plugged it with this and it stopped automatically. See, it sets in 3 to 5 minutes. Hydraulic cement. I did 2 coats. I always do 2 coats over the holes. It's already starting to dry. Now I can start putting everything back. All right, got our holes patched, put in insulation. Make sure you put your plastic in there. Vapor barrier. Keeps the moisture from coming off of the brick onto the drywall and the studs. They should have put a green plate at the bottom of the floor, but that's another story, another time.